Welcome to another KevX how-to video. To all you techies out there, here are the steps to create a video using Pictory. Sign up for a Pictory account. You will need to create an account with Pictory in order to use the platform. Choose your story format. Pictory offers several different story formats, including slideshows, animations, and video. Choose the one that best fits the type of story you want to tell. Upload your photos or videos. You can upload your photos or videos directly from your computer or from a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Edit your story. Use Pictory's editing tools to arrange your photos and videos in the order you want them to appear, and add captions, music, and transitions as desired. Preview your story. Before you publish your story, preview it to make sure everything looks and sounds the way you want it to. Publish your story. Once you're happy with your story, click the Publish button to make it live. You can share the link to your story with others, or embed it on your website or blog. Enjoy your video. Congratulations! You've just created a video using Pictory. Sit back and enjoy your creation, or use the feedback you receive to make improvements for next time. We hope this helped you get started with Pictory. Thanks for watching.